Hey, how's it going, everyone? Check it out. We have some Toy Story 5 goodies. So I picked this up from my local GameStop. It's called Critter Talk Jessie. So there is Jessie right there, and it's got a little pig right there. And then there's a little tab. You pull this out. So let's do that. Let's pull this out. It's like a battery tab. You pull that out, and then it reads, "Squeeze legs to start talking. Try me." So let's do this.
This is my name and adventure's my game. Yeah.
What was that? This is awesome. Oh my goodness. Let's flip it around and have a look at the back real quick. Let's see what's going on here. So what does it say here? I sure hit the jackpot with a friend like you. Yeehaw. It's Jessie, the yodeling cowgirl, and her critter pal. Activate her yodeling action to hear sounds and phrases, then unlock more sounds by placing the pig near her. Ways to play. And then you just hold a little piggy up and she does stuff. So we got to get this opened up so we can have a little more fun. All right, here is Jessie and her little critter pal. So I just wanted to show this off real quick. It does come with some basic instructions. So it just gives you a quick rundown on what you need to do. You can replace the batteries and such, on-off button. Nothing overly complicated right there. Let me show you. So she's pretty heavy, pretty solid collectible toy here. Look, this thing is awesome looking. The detail is fantastic. So on the back here, you have the little on-off switch. So we'll flip this on. And then, of course, you got the little holes right there for the speakers. And there's the little battery compartment on the back of her head. And it takes a standard little screwdriver right there. And let's see. So for our articulation and such, just a little ratcheted knee bend right here. I'm not sure why you would need that, because she kind of just stands there. There's no other posability or anything, because in her hips, that's part of the...
My name and adventure's my game.
Because the hips are kind of like part of the gimmick, so when you squeeze them. So, yeah, I don't know. Maybe you can... Let's see. That's just... That's, she's going to keep talking. So let's see if we can get her down like this, maybe. No, see? I don't know. Kind of a pointless thing to put the knee bend in there, but either way, it's still a decent little feature. And then she comes with her little rubber hat, which you can plop on her head right here. Let's see, make sure we line it up right and just rest it on her head like this. And then you got some spring action in her arms like this right here. And of course, we already know the gimmick. You squeeze her legs.
Come on, let's wrangle up some fun. Yeah! Ah! Who's gonna stop us? Nobody, that's who. Woo! Whee! Have any of you cowpokes seen a critter around here? Yeah!
And here is the little critter. Look at this cute little adorable piggy. Look at this thing. So it says to take it and place it up to her, and she'll have additional sounds or, additional phrases.
Well, howdy! Glad to meet ya! What's that? Are you trying to tell me your name? Nice pig. Nice stinky pig. I know. I'm happy to see you too. Shh. Now come on, boy. Let's go. I sure hit the jackpot with a friend like you. Aw, you're just a big softie, ain't ya? Yes, good pig. Come on, partner. Let's square dance. Whoa, well, look at you. Well, howdy. Glad to meet ya.
This is awesome.
You thinking what I'm thinking? That's Yodo.
Oh, you gotta squeeze it faster. Okay, let's try it again.
Blast us to smithereens! That there's dynamite! Piggy, come on now! Yeah, over here! Critter to me, critter
This thing is cracking me up. This is awesome. Oh, I love this. This is fantastic. I'm so glad I picked this up. This is great. Look at the little piggy. Oh, that's so adorable.
What's that? Are you trying to tell me your name?
This is great. Oh, what do you guys think about this thing? I love it. Oh, I love the electronic interactive stuff. This thing is awesome. Like I said, she's super tall. She stands probably 14 inches tall, give or take, and super heavy, well built, good quality. You got the little piggy here, just a basic little figurine. Nothing moves, nothing's going on with it. But there's a little chip inside his snout that interacts with Jessie. You know, there we go. So
Nice pig. Nice stinky pig.
So what's not to love about this thing? Not sure what to make of the knee bend there. I don't know what you do with it, but either way, it's a nice figurine. It's got a little hat accessory. I don't know. It's a win to me. I think this is an awesome collectible. And obviously, look at this thing. It'll look great on display along with your other Toy Story collectibles. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. See you again next time.